Okay. So so my business is called I'm Worth It Incorporated, much like the channel name. Because I found a lot of people don't feel worthy of success. They don't feel worthy of money. They don't feel worthy of having good people in their lives, just like I did. I used to feel the same way. So I'll do everything I can. I will literally die to make that happen, to show you that you're worth it. Okay, now Nelson. So let me tell you a quick story about this guy named Nelson. So there's this guy named Nelson. My grandma was best friends with him. He's gay. Okay, he's gone now. She used to say they're soulmates. Well, because it's not about sex. Soulmates doesn't have to be romantic, right? So anyway, when my grandma died, this guy was great. You know, he was just like you said, you love my aura. I loved his aura. He was just the nicest guy you would meet. Okay. But when my grandma died, I was living in Columbia, South Carolina. And one of the things that I took away from my grandmother's funeral is this: do not wait to tell people how great they are. Do not wait to tell people how much you love them, because you can never know, when they're dead. You can't tell them how much you love them. When you're dead, you can't tell anybody else how much you love them. And the best way to tell someone that you love them is to show them by your actions, and by going out of your way to put yourself out in public and do the things for other people, and to show them that they can do it too. Okay. So